Vrishabha Rashi 2025 is a year of stability and growth. With Saturn, Jupiter and Rahu all shifting signs, you will see changes in wealth, career, family and networks. Namaskara, I'm Archana Murthy, and in the next few minutes I will share what these shifts mean for you and how you can align yourself to make the most of them. Here's what we'll cover. Saturn's move into Meena and the Raja Yoga it brings for you. Jupiter's shift into Mithuna and how it strengthens your finances and family life. Rahu's entry into Kumbha and what sudden shifts it creates in your career. If you're new here, I share authentic Jyotisha rooted in classical texts every week. Subscribe and stay connected so you don't miss these insights. Brihat Parashara Hora Shastram describes Vrishabha as Vrishabha Prishtodayo, Shukravan, Sthiraha, meaning Taurus rises with its back, is ruled by Venus and is a fixed sign. As a Vrishabha native, you are steady and practical. You value comfort, beauty and security. Once you commit, you rarely let go. This steadiness is your strength in 2025. Now let's talk about Saturn's shift. On March 29th, Saturn entered Meena. This is a strong period of Raja Yoga for you. Gains and profits increase, support from siblings and friends, growth and recognition in career, more harmony at home, long desired goals achieved. This is a time to carefully choose who you walk with because the right alliances will support your growth. Now about Jupiter's shift. Until May, Jupiter was in your sign, that is Vrishabha, a tough period personally and financially. After May, it moved into Mithuna, giving you Guru Bala. Financial status improves, wealth from multiple sources, family bonds become stronger, speech becomes more eloquent, words carry weight. Career growth possible through promotion or higher status. Favorable period for investments, property or building assets. What about Rahu shift? On May 24th, Rahu entered Kumbha while Ketu moved into Simha. Sudden shifts in work, confusion in decisions, domestic restlessness or emotional detachment. Worries may disturb sleep and digestion. Stay steady. Avoid impulsive reactions. Focus on consistent effort. On the whole, your career and finance will see strong year for growth, recognition and financial stability. Use this time to plan carefully and avoid shortcuts. New investments and ventures can be favorable if chosen wisely. With respect to relationships, family harmony improves, especially after May. Friendships and networks bring opportunities. Your speech and advice will carry weight, so use words with care. And what about your health and inner balance? What digestion, rest and stress levels? Create steady routines to maintain balance. Simple practices like meditation or journaling will help you stay grounded. Looking at 2025 as a whole, from late March, gains and career recognition grow steadily. After May, finances, speech and family harmony grow stronger. By year's end, your financial base and career direction will be much stronger. An important reminder, these are general Rashi insights. They offer only a slice of the picture. Your individual horoscope along with your running Dasha period shows the full story. For complete clarity, always check your chart. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which part of this prediction feels most relevant for you? Are you already sensing changes in your career or finances? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this helped you understand your year ahead, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly Vedic astrology insights. And if you would like to explore your chart in depth, you can always connect with me for a personal consultation. The link is in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay aligned. Dhanyavadaha.